Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Gold has always been seen as a safe haven. But in 2025, with volatile markets, shifting interest rates, and geopolitical uncertainty, gold ETFs are attracting more attention than ever. In today's video, we're going to explore the future of gold ETFs, what drives them, potential risks, and how you might position yourself to benefit in the year ahead. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us and remember to comment and share. Before we dive into forecasts, let's quickly recap what gold ETFs are. Essentially, a gold ETF allows investors to buy shares that track the price of gold without physically owning the metal. Some ETFs are physically backed, holding actual gold in vaults, while others are synthetic or derivatives-based. Major ETFs include SPDR Gold Shares, GLD, and iShares Gold Trust, IAU. Investors love them because they're liquid, easy to trade, and simpler than buying bullion. So, what's been happening recently? In the first half of 2025, gold prices surged nearly 26% in USD terms. ETF inflows hit $38 billion, the largest semi-annual inflow in 5 years. Why? Investors are seeking safe havens as interest rate expectations fluctuate, the US dollar shows signs of weakness, and geopolitical tensions remain high. Central banks are also buying more gold, supporting demand. Looking ahead, several key factors will influence gold ETFs: interest rates and monetary policy. Lower real yields usually boost gold. If central banks cut rates, gold may benefit. US dollar strength, gold prices often move inversely to the dollar. A weaker dollar could push gold higher. Inflation concerns, persistent inflation makes gold attractive as a hedge. Geopolitical risk, trade tensions, conflicts, or market instability can drive ETF inflows. Central bank demand, countries like China and India continue buying gold as part of reserves. Analysts have varied opinions for gold in 2025. UBS has set a target of $3,800 per ounce by year-end. Let's break it down: base case, moderate policy easing, continued safe haven demand. Gold may rise to $3,100, $3,600. Bull case, stagflation, high geopolitical tension, strong ETF inflows. Gold could push toward $4,000. Bear case, strong dollar, high interest rates, inflation cools. Gold might drop toward $3,000, $3,200. For investors, this means ETF returns could be strong in the right conditions but remain sensitive to macroeconomic shifts. Of course, gold ETFs are not without risks. Here are the main challenges: opportunity cost. When bond yields or equities perform well, gold may lag. Interest rate risk, rising rates can hurt non-yielding gold ETFs. Regulatory and taxation issues, ETF fees and tax implications can eat into returns. Competition from other assets, crypto, stocks, and real estate can divert investment away from gold. Sentiment volatility, ETFs are influenced by investor psychology, not just gold prices. Now, how can investors approach gold ETFs in 2025? Here are some strategies: diversification, use gold ETFs to hedge equity or bond portfolios. Dollar cost averaging, invest gradually to reduce timing risk. Combination approach, pair bullion ETFs with mining ETFs for potential upside. Monitoring macro signals, watch inflation, rates, and geopolitical news to adjust exposure. ESG and thematic ETFs. Consider sustainable or green mining ETFs for responsible investing. To wrap up, gold ETFs in 2025 present both opportunities and risks. The market is driven by interest rates, inflation, dollar strength, and global uncertainty. While prices may fluctuate, gold ETFs remain a valuable tool for diversification and hedging. The key for investors is to stay informed, remain patient, and align their strategy with both their risk tolerance and long-term goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights into ETFs and smart investing in 2025.